Hello traders, your response from my yesterday's analysis video made me happy. So I decided to make a new stock analysis video for you today as well. Keep supporting us like this so that it motivates us to make regular videos for you. And also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. If more people are showing interest, then I will plan making daily analysis video. Now without further delay, let us jump into the topic. While watching Tata Motors 1 hour time frame chart, I could see that this level is acting as a support level and this level is acting as a resistance level. If you observe this pattern closely, the stock is making a narrow range. We call this a symmetric pattern. I made a dedicated video on how I trade with symmetric pattern. The link for that video is mentioned in the comment section below. If the stock breaks this white line, that is the support level, there are high chances that this stock might go down. Okay, and if the market retraces tomorrow and come to this level, there are high chances that this stock will go up. If you observe this trend line, the stock touched this level for the first time, second time, and if it comes for the third time, there are high chances that this will give a solid breakout. Okay, and if we see the support level, this is the first time, this is the second time, and here it was a failed breakout, and now again it's coming to this level. If it gives a proper breakout, there are high chances that this stock will go down. Important thing about symmetric pattern is we cannot exactly guess if the stock will go up after the breakout or if it will go down after the breakout. But when you know how to trade with symmetric pattern, as soon as you see an opportunity and you notice that the stock is giving a breakout or breakdown, you can enter this trade and make good profit. Okay, I have personally added the stock to my radar. Depending on how the stock movement happens tomorrow and day after, I will trade with the stock. While checking Tata Motors chart on a 30 minutes time frame, here also I can see that the stock is creating a symmetric pattern. So I'm very confident that after the squeeze, the stock can give a good breakout or a breakdown. Okay, one more thing which I am noticing is this line. This level which I have drawn here, this can act as an accumulation zone. That means a lot of people can trade here. So we need to be very careful when we are trading with the stock after it gives a breakout. But if it breaks this accumulation zone, there's going to be a solid rally. And tomorrow if Nifty is going down and even Tata Motors is going down, and if this level it touches and gives a breakdown, there is going to be a very good rally. So we just have to wait and watch how it goes, and then we need to look for trading opportunity in the stock. One more new stock which I'm looking at is Glenmark daily time frame. Here also this stock is creating a narrow range, right? Can you see the squeeze here? Correct. So this is the first level, this is the second level, and after this level if the stock gives a breakout, there's going to be a very good rally. And if it gives a breakdown, see this is the first time and this is the second time, and third time if it gives a breakdown, we can see a good rally. But how I'll be trading this stock is I will wait for a breakout or a breakdown. If it gives a breakdown, for example, after that I'm just going to wait for it to retrace, and again if I see this stock has high potential to go down, then I will short. Because if this level acts as a fake breakout, then me waiting and trading at the last kiss will help me to avoid that trap. Okay, this is what I'm thinking about Glenmark. Because it's an daily time frame, I'm going to add it to my watch list. I'm going to wait until Thursday and Friday, and if I get a trading opportunity, I will enter this trade. Now traders, I'm looking at ICICI Bank 30 minutes time frame. Even this stock is creating a narrow range. Okay, first resistance, second resistance, it's coming close to third resistance level. So there's the first support, second support, and now if it can come down. But looking at the banking sector tomorrow, I will decide how to enter this trade. Obviously I will not enter from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. because a lot of people who watch news and get panic and they don't want to miss out opportunity, they just enter the market 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and they confuse the market. So I will just wait until 10 a.m. That is when technical traders come to trade, and that is when I will look for trading opportunity in the stock. Until then, the stock is going to be in my watch list. I'll keep looking at the stock. If I find a trading opportunity, I will enter this trade. Now traders, because I'm already holding some position of stock from my last analysis and the analysis before that, along with that I'm adding these three stocks. I'm not going to add any more stocks for this week. If I'm getting opportunity in these stocks, I will trade, or else I will not trade this week. I'm already making very good profit from Motherson stock, which I referred last week. From Bank Nifty we made 1.18 lakhs, and Tata Motors we made good profit. That's more than enough. This is a profitable week for me, so I will just look into this stock. If I get trading opportunity, I will trade. If not, I will not trade. So traders, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel so that it motivates me to do regular content for you. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.